Hi, I'm Pedro Siqueira, Realtor with the 39 North team at HomeSmart. And today we want to talk to you about why you should consider investing in real estate in the Denver metro area. According to rent.com, rent in the last 12 months in the Denver metro area has gone up 15%, which is beating inflation. So whether you already own a property that you bought a few years ago or you're looking to invest in your first property, this is a great place to invest and also protect your money against inflation. A study conducted by DMAR, Denver Metro Association Realtors, concluded that the real estate market in the Denver metro area grew from 2010 to 2019, $212 billion. Just in the last 2 years, 2020 and 2021, we grew $208 billion. Our experts at 39 North team believes that this trend is going to keep going up, not at the accelerated pace we saw in the last 2 years, but great companies are still moving out here, relocating offices, and our economy is really strong. So real estate in the Denver metro area should still appreciate in the next few years. As an investor watching this video, you're probably thinking, what all this has to do with me? As a buyer, right now it's a great opportunity that we haven't seen in years here in the Denver metro area. The market is shifting a little bit due to the rise of interest rates and the rise of inventory. What that means for you as a buyer, you're gonna have more options and we might be able to create a great deal for you through negotiations, inspections, and other things that in the previous market we had, we weren't able to do that. As a seller, if you bought a property in the last few years, most likely you're gonna have a lot of equity in your property. So the best thing to do is assess to see if your property is still performing at the top of the market, and if it's not, consider doing improvements or even just listing as is and then finding a different property that's gonna produce better returns to you. And we here at 39 North team, we can help you achieve that. So reach out today. As an investor myself, that's my passion, to help you achieve your goals. So let's talk.